Hi guys, this is the backend code, the route to log keystones and find the front end. Method for log key function, and we will create keylog.test file, and we will write everything the user type. This keylog file is here. This file doesn't need to create by ourselves. It will be automatically created when we run, so I will delete this file. Yes, here is HTML file. You can see it's just simple input field and advanced listener to listen the keys to the user type. Yeah, so let's type program. Stop. So yeah, I will try to type something. For example, username Selena. So yeah, you can see the Keylog test file is created, and we can see everything the user type. Yes, that is my demonstration is simple, and I just shows how to process the Keylogger. For prevention, you will need to use two-factor authentication and other anti-malware software. Even if they got our username and password, they cannot be easily trying to log on your account. This is really dangerous, and we should be aware. But it's okay if your computer doesn't have any sensitive information or any important information. It will not be have side effects for ours. Thank you.